Have you ever had someone pretend to be your friend, just to stab you in the back? That's exactly what happened to me. My so-called best friend thought she was clever until I turned the tables. She planned to ruin my reputation, but what she didn't know was, I had a plan of my own. And when the truth finally came out, everyone saw her for who she really was. This is the story of how I got the ultimate revenge, and trust me, you'll want to hear every second. It all started during my junior year of high school. My friend, Mia, and I had been close since middle school, or at least, I thought we were. We shared secrets, laughed at inside jokes, and promised to always have each other's backs. But things changed when a new guy, Ethan, transferred to our school. He was funny, smart, and, yeah, I kind of liked him. Mia knew that. I told her. I trusted her. Big mistake. One Friday, I started noticing weird looks from classmates. People were whispering when I walked by. My phone buzzed with messages from random numbers calling me names. Confused, I checked social media, and there it was. Someone had posted fake screenshots of private messages, making it look like I'd been talking trash about half the school, including Ethan. The account was anonymous, but the style of writing, the timing, my gut told me it was Mia. Suspicion turns to proof. Instead of confronting her right away, I decided to play it smart. I kept my cool, acted like nothing was wrong, and started gathering evidence. First, I set up a trap. I told Mia a fake, secret, something so specific that only she would know. Within an hour, that exact secret appeared on the anonymous account. Bingo. But I needed more, so I asked a tech-savvy friend to trace the account. And guess what? The IP address matched Mia's home Wi-Fi. The proof was solid. The school was buzzing with drama. Everyone thought I was the villain. But I wasn't about to let Mia win. The next morning, I printed out the screenshots of the IP trace and brought them to the principal. During lunch, I asked the principal if I could clear the air in front of everyone. With the entire cafeteria watching, I calmly explained that the posts were fake and showed the evidence. Gasps filled the room when Mia's name popped up. Her face turned red as everyone realized the truth. Mia tried to deny it, but it was useless. The principal suspended her for cyberbullying, and her so-called friends quickly backed away. As for me, my reputation was cleared, and Ethan even told me he admired how I handled everything. Let's just say, things between us got pretty great after that. Revenge doesn't always mean screaming or fighting back. Sometimes, the best revenge is staying calm, being smart, and letting the truth speak for itself. Mia thought she could ruin me, but in the end, she only ruined herself.